It's cold out, take my coat now. I wore it just for you. Ooh, ooh. I feel you in my bones now. Feel you through and through.
Are you embarrassed? Tell me you're embarrassed.
I'm not embarrassed.
Tell me how embarrassed you are.
0. What time is it?
Time to buy you stuff. Get in line. Get in line right now.
What'd you get?
You're looking at it.
A lot of work and a lot of drowning.
The first.
Do you want to be a taquito? I do not.
She worked it right in front of her face.
I do not. I really don't. If this is filming right now, you're a dead person.
I don't think it's filming.
You're a dead person if it's filming. That's all I'm saying.
I think it's filming.
Both need fixing. They can't fix what's true.
Hit me one more time and throw it in the water.
You won't stand up and throw that in the water.
Oh, I felt it. Sean! I told them. Okay.
No! Wait, he's gonna get some air with the flip flop. You've been boinking me with the noodle for like an hour.
Really?
What'd you do with it?
I didn't hit you.
What'd you do?
Okay, you know what? I'm moving.
Do it again.
Okay.
I'm only ever hitting Sean. Okay.
Oh, she got it! Oh, she's General Gravison. Oh! Oh! Back up. Vacation.
Hey.
Cheers.
I love you, I love you, I love you. Until I love you, I love you, I love you. Until I find the day, the only words I know that you. Until I say the only words I know that you. Until
I know you see it, girl. This ain't sitting real good in my soul. Everywhere this little girl goes, she pick up another obstacle. She was my heart. I don't know the tribe or the fall, but by default, she don't think of me. I thought she was an Indian. She be slanging things like a simian. All my life I wanted me an Indian. And now she's far away, but I had to know.
Kitty would kill that meatball. Yeah, the meatball's for Kitty.
What are you doing?
I'm filming you.
I didn't want filming.
Oh, you want a picture?
I love Roma.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. Another Tuesday, and we sleep into when it's too late. 'Cause summer is whatever you say, so I don't mind at all. At all. It's a new place if we close our eyes and paint a new way. 'Cause somewhere is wherever you say, so summer turns to fall. Oh, and when the days feel like the same old circle, open the lines and make a new world, just to find a place where time is free. So baby, come with me as far as eyes can see. So baby, come with me. And what is will be.
So last night after we went to Cafe Roma, Cafe Roma has changed hands 3 times since we've been there in 1991 for our honeymoon. But when Jill and I went, we were like, this place is kind of cool. It's off campus. It's at, we were at the West End, and we were like, we had no money, and we were like, let's go find some restaurants, whatever, and see what's out there. So we ventured downtown, and then like on the way walking back to our car last night, I said to her, I'm like, that woman who was a cook or chef in the Roma, she came over and she said she'd been there like 32 years, and it was one more year than we had been together. And I was thinking, it just made me think for a second. It's like, if I was that lady, like if I could come over and like tap us on the shoulder as we were walking back to our rental car 31 years ago and say what your life is going to be in the next 31 years, I don't know how I'd write a better story.
Oh, you guys are crying.
I mean, to be able to bring friends and family back to, and we brought both friends and family back to this island and shared the love for the place to be called Love City. It is truly, a blessing. It's truly named the right island, because it's not about one time, one experience. It's about like being here with multiple people, multiple times, and experiencing all of it. We may not get to every beach, but we will try our darndest in a week, and hopefully you guys will be able to impart to your families what this island means to you and your mom and I all these years. I mean, it's been such a blessing to us, and you guys are a blessing to us as well.
Cheers.
So cheers.
Cheers to all of that. And we're going to share this with you.
Cheers. Thank you guys for sharing it with us.
Oh my god.
Oh, it was wonderful.
It's a little bit heavy, but I mean,
No, that's so
We've enjoyed
Thank
it.
you for sharing.
we have truly enjoyed it, and we love you guys for being here. We stake this time out, and like, even when I like stake this time out, I like talk to my boss. I'm like, no, you don't understand. Like, this was planned out a year in advance. My daughter-in-law has only 1 week of vacation
And that was it.
This is it, dude. I'm like, no, it's done. So thank you guys for being here.
Of course. Thank you for having us.
Of course. And thank you guys for joining with us. And like,
And we
hopefully,
love St. John. don't
hopefully
we?
bring many more memories back to this island.
Thank you for bringing us.
Such a great place.
Lauren's crying.
So nice. I love a Dave speech. I feel like I'm at a wedding.
Well, maybe you'll bring your own children here. We have to.
We have to.
Yeah, I love this week.
Coconut fish was like, oh god, this is gonna come back up.
Pretty much driving anywhere.
You're pretty much driving anywhere. Got that right.
You're tuned to 96.1 WWKS.
They're buddies. I saw them down by the banana tree yesterday.
I really don't want that in my face.
It feels so real, more than I have felt before. And I know this time I will try to keep you satisfied. Don't wanna be second with you. It feels like the first time. Why do I always push away the things that I wanna say? I can't stop when you're with me. I just can't stop. Oh, you're loving. I can't stop. You're playing with me. I just can't stop. Oh, you're loving. I can't stop when you're with me. I just can't stop. Oh, you're loving. I can't stop. You're playing with me. I just can't stop. Oh, you're loving. I can't stop your loving. I can't stop your loving. I can't stop your loving. I just can't stop. Oh, you're loving. History keeps ourselves from moving on. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Welcome, Greg.
You're dead.
Get a refund.
You're absolutely toast. Did you hear him say
Take me home.
Thank you.
Should I get? It looks pretty good.
Mark's really got that. This is pretty good large arms.
You tasting something and then trying
And I
to
had some for lunch.
determine what the ingredients were is so funny to me.
Man,
Why is that
that's
so
a
Because
funny?
I feel like there's
That was a
no
lot
way
of
that you're at
pasta.
all correct or close.
I know.
Really?
So much of what you say is 1000% ridiculous.
Wanna say, and do you believe me when I say?
There's room, Sean. Come sit.
There's room, Sean. There's room. Sean, we'll make room. We'll make room.
Sean, come here. Sean. Sean, right here.
I don't deserve you. I don't deserve you. I can't stop when you're with me. I just
Where are we going?
Coral Bay. We're waiting in the car for you. No, not 10 minutes. 1 minute.
can't stop.
Is the Don B?
I can't stop playing with
Yeah, sure.
I just can't stop. Oh, you're loving. I can't stop when you're with me. I just can't stop. Oh, you're loving. I can't stop playing with me. I just can't stop. Oh, you're loving.
Heading out.
Did you get our room?
No.
He's in there with me.
Last morning. Say bye.
Bye.
I don't need that.
We're leaving St. Thomas.
I'm not talking to you anymore.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, yeah. Another Tuesday, and we sleep.
How was it? You're not gonna let me have a little more coffee milkshake?
Wait, did they spell your name, right? They spell my name. Well, I always saw the sheet.
Into when it's too late, 'cause summer is whatever you say, so I don't mind.
You don't go and surprise Juju.
Do you think Jensen's
Probably not.
Vacation.
Mi amor no tiene esperanza,